Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. In today's video I will show you how to make a amazing 3D text for your headers, for your logos, not logos actually, for your headers, for your headers, thumbnails, and whatever you want. So probably you saw the thumbnail. We're gonna make something like that. We're just going to take the text tool and type something in. I'm going to use the font. I'm just going to do the Fortnite font. So Burbank Big Regular Black Sergi. Oh, let's change that color to white. Like that. Let's do that. So you got that. You want to curve the text, so you want to go to the text tool, go to this this icon actually, basically, click on it, click on style, click on arc, and just like play with it a little bit. I'm going to use +8. I shouldn't do something with this, but you can. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't. So you can basically just click on 3D, but that's not what we're going to do in today's video. So like, this is 3D. It also looks really actually good, but we're going to do it in a different thing. Oh, let's go back to layers and let's hide that. Oh, can't we? Is that so big? Get that. Okay. So we've got that again. Let's delete this, can we? Close. Okay, so we fixed that a little bit. So want to rasterize it and click on Ctrl T, right click and click on perspective. You're going to pick the right top corner. You want to drag it to the left, like the Star Wars intro actually. That's like coming in. Like that, I like that. Maybe we can just do this. No, that doesn't look good. So that looks a little bit good. Maybe we could do a little bit less. Can we? We can't, I think. Let's undo everything because it doesn't look very good. Perspective. Like that. That looks a lot better. Now I'm going to duplicate it, put it underneath the Sergi, whatever your text is. Move it with the arrows a little bit down, and then click on Ctrl U and drag these lightness down. Something like that. Maybe move it a bit more there. Like that. Now we're going to connect all the like parts to each other. So we're going to use the oh, let's drag that to here. Going to use the where is it? Here. The polygonal lasso tool. Let's use that and let's just select all the parts that we need to connect. Change the color to the 3D parts color. So let's do that. The shortcut for the so the shortcut key for the lasso tool is L. Wait. Jesus Christ. Okay. Need to do that. That or that. Do we have, yeah, the R. in another. Is there another part? No. So that we've got that. Maybe we can make it a little bit more dark, like that. And let's make it bigger actually, just for the view, like that. So now we're going to add like black parts where it needs to have black parts. So let's create a new layer and let's make it a click on create clipping mask, or just the shortcut is hold alt and just like in between these two layers, and then you can do that, or you can just click the easy way and do clipping mask. So let's make the brush a little bit smaller. Make sure you have the brush on soft round, otherwise it's not looking good at all. So let's do it on these parts, this part, and that part also, like actually all the corners. So it creates kind of a shading. Like that. It doesn't look good now. I'm going to play with the opacity so it will. Like that. Let's play with the opacity now. I think that looks pretty okay. But I can see it are dots, so that is not what I want. Nah, never mind. Let's just move on. Now we just want to create a gradient overlay, as I always do. Just add your own effects, whatever you want. Inner glow, black, opacity a little bit less. Bevel and emboss looks good. Make sure you have it on smooth and the size like a lot more than now. No, actually it doesn't look very good. I think that looks good. Oh. You know what? That shadings bar isn't really good. So you can just do whatever you want right now. It's just all about effects now. And add a little drop shadow. Also gradient overlay on here. Does that look good? Yeah, it does. Actually. So we can do that. You can add a nice background, whatever you want. You can do anything you want. So if you liked the tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and just check out my channel more and stuff. I have a Discord server over here. Oh no, not that one, over here. We do giveaways, we do art competitions. You can get a featured art if you have 2 stars. So yeah, you can just do stuff you want in my server. You can ask for criticism, whatever you want. Just join it, it'll be fun. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.